What's up, folks? This is Nick Norelli back with episode 4 of Books from Buddies. I'm still in Corona quarantine, so we want to highlight a volume that I received back in December of 2007. This one is Karl Barth's The Epistle to the Romans. It was given to me by Ben Myers. For those who don't know, Ben is a scholar, a theologian, and a professor in Australia, and he used to have a blog called Faith and Theology. And I actually collected a bunch of my book reviews into a book called Christology in Review. And in the introduction, I credit Ben's blog with being one of the first that I had ever read. And it drew me to blogging because I saw him talking about deep theological issues and people commenting back and forth with him on these things. So I thought that's something that I would like to get into. Got me out of the AOL chat rooms and just started a blogging career that spanned more than a decade. But I don't remember the circumstances under which Ben sent me this book. I remember he got it for me off of Amazon, sent it to me. I was eternally grateful. I started reading through it and seeing that Barth wasn't really like other commentators that I had been used to. You know, other commentators, they would discuss grammar, historical issues. They would go back and forth with other commentators. Barth was really just looking at Paul's theology of Romans, and he was giving his theology of Romans via his reading of Paul's theology of Romans. So something totally different. I can't say personally that it had a profound impact on my theology, but it's still a very interesting read. I remember his discussion of baptism was good back in his comments on Romans 6. So that's about that. Once again, thanks to Ben for sending me this book those many years ago. And a word of congratulations. I heard that he recently got married, so I'd like to wish him and his wife a lifetime of happiness. And I will talk to you guys in the next one. God bless.